If you can simply copy and paste, that means you could do this. All you have to do is just copy and paste, and you can start making up to $3,000 per month just by downloading files from your computer. And this is something that you could do right away. So this is going to be some free passive income method, and make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. Now, most of you will not apply every single step, and that's why majority of you will fail, but only a very small percentage of people that follow this step by step. I'm telling you right now, if you follow this method, this will bring you some passive income. And not only that, it will bring you some passive income, but you can use that money, you can pay some bills, you can go on some vacation, you can take whatever lifestyle trips that you want to do. So keep watching this video, don't try to skip ahead, because this is going to be an awesome method that I want to share with you, and we're going to get started right now. So let's do this. So as I said, if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. Make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. And if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. But we're going to show you how you can make some money by copy and paste and make $3,000 per month just by downloading files. That's right. You're going to download files and you're going to re-upload them, and that's how you're going to be making money. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to head on over to free PLR downloads. Now, free PLR downloads, they have a lot of downloadables that you can find. There are so many different niches that you could choose from. So keep watching. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because there's so many ways on the internet that you could crush it, but most times people don't go into details and show you exactly what to do. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to break it down for you so that way you can follow the method. So these are the different niches that you could do. So you can go into any niche and any different categories that you see feel fit. It doesn't matter which one of these you choose from, because these are things that's going to make you money, and people are going to buy these over and over again, and it's going to be more money into your pocket right away. So for example, if we go over to the fitness, because people are always trying to find a way how to get fit, how to stay in shape, and they want to be the best body. So you always want to try to find something that is trending and something that people are looking for. So as you can see right here, this is belly fat free. So belly fat free, if you look at the description, you'll discover the topics about importance of eating the right foods, and how to help you banish like stubborn belly fat. So you know the ladies, they always worry, and both men as well, they worry about belly fat. They worry about self-confidence. How can I look good? How can I stay in the shape? If you look over here, there's a fitness video vibes. This is also lessons that you can learn from fitness classes. Eat more, not less to lose weight. So there's tons of different methods and different ebooks that are available. So if you go into the health section, it's the same thing. You're gonna find different ways. There's like cosmetic surgery, health tips for your baby. This is sports medicines. This is like free PLR ebooks, manage your life by eating. And you also have affiliate marketing. If you want to go into the affiliate marketing niche, there's tons of different things. So here's what you could download these, and you're going to download these files. What you could do, you can sign up for a bunch of different affiliate networks, affiliate programs, and then you can insert your affiliate links into this. And then whoever downloads this and they sign up for whatever it is that you have in these ebooks, guess what? You're going to make commission. So you give out value, and then people are going to give you in return. If you want to learn about ClickBank, you could do the same thing. There's a lot of people right now that's saying, hey, I want to learn more about ClickBank, and how do I get started? So you could come here, you could download this, you can insert some affiliate links in there, and you could share it. So you see the idea of what I'm sharing with you. So keep watching, because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. And by the way, I'm going to be doing a giveaway when we get to a 10,000 subscribers. So at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing one of the biggest and the huge giveaway that ever to be happen on YouTube. And you're going to see why from a small YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe, become a part of this, and share this with your friends, because I'm going to be giving away something huge. So let's go into the fitness just for the sake of this video. And into the fitness, we're gonna go with this belly fat. So I'm gonna click on this belly fat, and you can read the description right here. You will discover the topics of the importance of eating the right foods. You could go through this and you could see. Now, if you want to download, all you have to do is just scroll down here, and then you could download it right here. And there's also a free video course for PLR cash domination. So you could click on the download tab, and then once you download it, and all you have to do is just grab the files. You grab the files, you take it, you can put it on your desktop, and then once you do that, then what we're going to be doing right now, as I said, we're going to be giving away these ebooks for absolutely free. Now, some of you probably said, okay, Andre, now where should I give away these free ebooks? Keep watching, because we're going to give them away. People are going to be signing up, but we're also going to be selling these on some particular platform. For example, we're going to go over to Amazon right here. If we type in fitness ebook, right? If we put in fitness ebook, you'll see that people over here are selling these ebooks for loads of dollars, like $7.99. You could get the paperback if they want. This is a bundle, $74. This is absolutely free. This one is free. And the reason why some of these are free is because they're putting affiliate links in this particular ebook. So they're giving away for free. So most people say, well, it's free. You know, why should people buy it? Because they're getting money on the back end. They're giving away for free, and then somebody's going to sign up. So once you do that, how we can even make this a little bit better, we can go over to this particular website that is called pdfescape.com. So you go over to pdfescape.com, and what you could do, you could just choose the file. And once you choose the file here, right, this is the e-cover. We can get the e-cover. You can look at the e-cover right there. There's different e-covers that you can use. And this is like extra content. This is like images that you can use as well. So these are some of the images that can be added onto this particular product. So PDF, drop the PDF file here. So I'm going to grab this right here. I'm just going to put it over there. Please upload the PDF file here, put the PDF, and then I click on OK, and then I could just get this PDF file. It's loading. Hang on 1 second. Let me just grab this from the desktop here. So let's go with, put the PDF cover here, right? So let me change this to 100. So it makes it a little bit better. There we go. So you can upload your files, download your files, choose whatever files you want to grab from, go back here on the desktop, right? We're going to find the content that we want to use. These are some of the images. These are some blank ones. These are some of the images that we can upload as well. Upload the files. Those are some files. If you want to find the text, you can add text as well. You can add image, right? So you could just go in here and you could just slowly put these together. You can put a link in here as well if you want to add a link, right? So you can add different links so you can make this clickable. So once, if you want to make that clickable, you could put the URL to a particular weight loss product. So you could go over to ClickBank, you could go to health, go over. So let's say we go over to health, you know, we could go to market health. So we go to market health. You could sign up for market health. Go over here and you could sign up. Once you sign up, you put your, when it asks for company, it means a company or your name. So you could just put your name. You don't have to have a company. You could put whatever country you're from, right? Once you put whatever country you're from, put in the information. Make sure all of this is correct. They're asking for SSN, which is like tax ID and all that stuff. You don't need any of that because you're not from America. Only people in the US, they ask for this, but anybody else, they will probably ask for your government information and all that. Make sure it is correct. And you could sign up for loads of different stuff. You could go over to ClickBank, grab your affiliate link. And once you do that, you could put whatever health products that you want to promote. So you put in the link here and then you click OK, right? The link is going to be a clickable link. You can move it down here if you want, right? You're going to add the text, insert the files, annotations, put all this stuff, right? So you can grab like free PDF from over on the right hand side, right? If you want to grab it where you can put more information, then what's going to happen, you could get the free version or you could do the paid. But for right now, I don't recommend you paying for it. Use as much free information as possible. Just keep uploading and keep downloading files. All right, so that's all you have to do at this moment. Yeah, so what you're gonna do, just keep adding the information over here. Just grab it from your desktop, upload it. These are pictures. And remember, you also have the text. You have the text and the information that you can use. So you could just grab the entire thing, the PLR text, and then once you do that, then you just upload it right here. All right, upload it. And then once you finish, all you have to do is click on where it says upload URL, enter the URL of the PDF that you want to load, and click on there as well. You could choose the different files as I mentioned. So let me find this right here. So all this is showing is just the cover. So this is the PLR text, right? So all you have to do is just switch it over. So we could go to the index and the thank you and the newsletter and everything, and you just upload it. All right. So I don't want to make this video too long, but you get the idea. Once you do that, then you just go sign up for Amazon Kindle. And when you sign up for Amazon Kindle, then you could just upload it. You could sell it for $2, you could sell it for $3, you could sell it for $5, you could sell it for $6. And here's the thing, there's so much traffic on Amazon that people are going to consistently come to Amazon. And when they do come to Amazon, what they're going to do, they're going to buy stuff, they're going to download it. And when they download these files for free, your affiliate links are already in there. Another place that you can go, you're going to head on over to Walmart. So you can head on over to Walmart and you could go to fitness ebook, right? Once you go to fitness ebook, these are some fitness ebook. Like, look at this one. This is like $2.47, $2.99. So these are ebooks that you can consistently upload. Go here, find different ebooks that you want to upload. Try to find different niche. Don't just stick to just health and wellness niche, but just go there and just give it away. You give something away for free, and then people are going to buy stuff. They're going to do it in return. They're going to sign up because they have the book and they want to go through and they want to get some weight loss products that can help them right now. So I hope this video helped. As I said, I didn't want to make this too long. So just go out there right now, copy and paste, and you can make $3,000 per month. Make sure you do it the right way, because if you don't do it the right way, you're not going to get the results. So consistently just go in here and find different ebooks that you want to upload. There's parenting, there's photography, there's products, there's public speaking, real estate. You find and take the time to really put in the work. And then once you upload it, people are going to consistently buy them over and over again. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and definitely check out my #1 recommendation. The name is Andre. Peace.